How to set up your Samsung Galaxy A15 for the first time. So before we begin, you can insert the SIM card located on the left hand side. So in here, just eject the SIM tray and you can insert your SIM card. So here I already have a SIM card inside. So you can put in the SIM card. The other side is your micro SD card. So if you have a micro SD card, you can also add it in here to extend your storage space. Okay, so we put in the SIM card, and on the right hand side here, there is a side button. Press and hold on that button to boot up your device. Initially, you will see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. Just wait for a few moments for the phone to boot up. Okay, on the welcome screen, at the top here, select your language. So select a language that you want to use, then tap on OK. Next, tap on the start button. Now from here, tap on agree and then tap on the agree button at the bottom. Next, here you can choose to transfer data from your Android device or from the iPhone, or you can choose set up manually. So if you have no data to transfer over, you can simply choose set up manually. So in this video, I'm going to set up the device manually, and in here, select your Wi-Fi network. So here I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network and then put in your Wi-Fi password. Once you put in your Wi-Fi password, just tap on the connect button. Okay, so here I'll tap on the connect button and then tap on next. And now it's getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Okay, on this screen here, it says you can choose to copy apps and data. Here you can choose next. And then here it said you need an Android device, iPhone or iPad. So if we are not transferring any data, we can tap on the back key and choose don't copy. And now the phone is checking your information. So we just give it a few moments. Now in here, you can sign to your Google account. You need a Google account so that you can download apps and use other Google services on your Android phone. So if you don't have one, you can tap on the create account button to create a new Gmail account. If you do have an account, you can simply put in your email address or a phone number, and then we can tap on the next button. You can also tap on the skip button at this stage if you wanted to, and then tap on skip. Later on, you can always sign to Google once you have an account. Now on the Google services, tap on more, then tap on more, and then tap on accept. And here you can set up a passcode or a password or a fingerprints or a PIN. So here I'm going to choose set up a PIN. Then enter your custom PIN. So for me, I'm just going to put in 1234 as an example, and then tap on use anyway. So 1234 as a demo, as a test PIN. So I tap on OK. Okay, so once you put in your PIN, the phone is now getting ready. Next, the device will ask you to enter in your Samsung account. Now here you can choose to sign into your Samsung account, or you can skip. So if you do have one already, you can enter in your Samsung email address or a phone number. Otherwise, you can choose forgot password or don't have an account. So here I will choose set up later in settings. So again, you can create your Samsung account while you're here. If you forgot a password, you can try to retrieve your account detail. I'm going to select set up later in settings. And from here, we scroll down and then tap on skip. Then in here, you can choose the which options you want to use. So turn on customization service if you want to use that. Get news and special offers for on this phone, and then you got improve personalized ads, so you can select that, or you can choose all and then tap on agree. Next, you can choose to turn on or turn off customization service and then tap on agree. And here you can choose light mode or dark mode. So that's dark mode and this is light mode. Then tap on next. Okay, on the get recommended apps screen, in here we can tap on next. And now say you're all set up. So finally we can tap on the finish button to go to the home screen. So while it says finish, it's still doing a lot of things on the background. So here we tap on continue. And here's the recommended apps. So you can choose to install any apps that you want. So here we've got all these popular games that they are suggesting. So I'm just going to simply tap on the home button. I don't really need any of these apps. So I'll close that. I don't want any of that. Tap on finished and then tap on finish again. Okay, so finally we're now reaching to the home screen. Now if you want to add in Google account or Samsung account, you can swipe down at the top like this and then tap on the settings icon. In here you can tap on Samsung account at the top to sign into your Samsung account or create one. Now you can also sign in with Google account if you already have a Google account. And if you want to sign to your Google account, we can scroll down. In here we can tap on accounts and backup. Then you can tap on manage accounts. And from here you can tap on add account. Next, choose Google. In here you'll be able to sign into your Google account. So that is if you have previously skipped some steps, you can always go into settings and you can then continue with the setup. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.